Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some jerk pork with some mashed potatoes and some veg and some plantain and some seasoned rice for dinner. So this is the night before. I'm going to be seasoning up my pork so I can cook it in the morning. So for the ingredients, I have my green seasoning, fresh thyme, garlic, and onion, turmeric, jerk seasoning, black pepper, sazon, and here I have sea salt. Let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start with my green seasoning, followed by my salt, black pepper, my sazon, turmeric, my thyme, onion and garlic, and my jerk seasoning. Okay guys, so I'm all done seasoning. See how beautiful this looks? Yes. So I'm gonna cover it in plastic wrap. It's gonna be in the fridge overnight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So this is the next day. This is my pork, well seasoned. I place it in the pan. I'm gonna place it in the oven for about an hour and a half. Now every 20 to 30 minutes, I'm gonna be taking it out for basting. Okay guys, so now I'm moving on to my seasoned rice or yellow rice. And for this, I'm gonna be using cabbage, carrot. Here I have my bell peppers, some parsley, 2 cups of rice, my sea salt, some olive oil, black pepper, and turmeric powder. Let's get right into it. So first I'm gonna go in with my bell peppers, and I put in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Next I'm going in with my onion, followed by my carrot and cabbage. So I'm gonna leave this to saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next I'm going in with my turmeric, some people use curry powder. I rather use turmeric because of all the health benefits. Now I've already washed my rice. See how beautiful it looks? And it's not even cooked. So I like to do it this way. That way I know the rice gets all the color versus putting the water first and adding the rice later. And now I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of water. And I'm going in with my salt and my pepper. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing my mashed potatoes. And I'm going to go in with 4 cloves of garlic. Then I'm going to start to cut my potatoes. So I'm using red skin potatoes. I've washed these already. And russet potatoes. I'm also going to be going in with some salt. I'm going to cover this up and allow it to boil for about 30 minutes or until it's tender. So my potatoes are done boiling. I drained the water. I'm gonna be leaving the pieces of garlic in there. I'm gonna go in with my butter. Just a little and start mashing. Now the stove is still on, it's on low. Make sure that the milk is warm to hot when you add it in. Do not add cold milk. It's going to change the consistency of your mashed potato. So now we're going to be starting to add some seasoning. I'm going in with my black pepper first. Then I'm going to follow up with my salt. And now I'm going in with some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic as well if you would like to. And then I'm going in with some parsley flakes. Now, if you have fresh parsley, you can add that in as well. Now we're just going to mix everything together. Now, if you want more of a smoother consistency, you can add some more of that hot milk. But this consistency is fine for me. It's your preference. The smoother you want it, the more milk and butter that you add. And this is the finished product, my mashed potatoes, my seasoned rice. I also have some boiled plantain and steamed veg, and my pork. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.